How to change language on YouTube. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're having issue with the language interface of YouTube and you want to change it up, in today's video we are providing you with a tutorial on that, which should be pretty easy. So let's get started. Open up YouTube for that, and once we open up the YouTube application, what we need to do is look out for your profile option in the bottom right within your YouTube. Once you open it up, and basically tap on the settings, the gear icon in the top right, and open it up. Now once we access it, what we need to do is under account section, go to the section for languages and tap on it. And within languages, here we'll be finding different options. We need to tap on the option called app language. And within here, we can select up the suggested language. We have Hindi, Nepali, and apart from that, we have a bunch of other language available. So if you want to change it to, let's say, Hindi, so you can tap on Hindi and tap on confirm. And when you confirm it up, you'll be finding the changes being applied. You just need to restart your application once you apply up the changes. Open it up, and when you do, you'll be finding the interface language being changed. You just need to wait for it to be applied completely, and there we go. You can see. And now if you want to change it back to normal, tap on you and go to the settings option in the top, and again go to languages, and this time select the app language as English and confirm it up. So usually this is how you do it. You should be able to follow up this step in order to make the changes on your YouTube application's interface language. So we hope this video was helpful, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.